what it is. It's me. I am Dumelo Madong, and I'm back once again with another video. So in today's video, I will be doing another hair review, hair install, whatever you call it, hair tutorial, whatever you call it, because I really do love creating these kind of videos for you guys. So today's video, as you guys can see, I'm rocking this curl. It's giving natural hair, it's giving winter, it's giving keep me warm, you understand? So today's video, it is partly sponsored by Mslynn hair. I will literally put everything that you need to know about this hair down in the description down below. And I'll tell you what, I really did enjoy all the gifts that I got with this package. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. I will definitely show you everything that I got in this hair package. But once again, thank you very much to Mslynn here for sponsoring today's video. If you guys would like to see how I effortlessly install this hair, 2 minutes gone. Like literally, you don't literally have to do a lot with this hair. It's very easy, it's very, but please like, comment and subscribe below for more videos. Every single information that you would like to know about this hair will be down in the description down below, as always. But once again, thank you very much to Mslynn here for sponsoring today's video, and see you in my next one. Love you guys.
Hi my lovies, I am so excited to see you guys, and I'm so excited to be doing another hair tutorial or a wig review, as you might call it. So guys, look at this box. Mslynn hair really did come for the girl, and the gifts that I got in this beautiful package, guys, a hot comb. Like, this is the first, and I am so excited to be receiving a hot comb. I've been meaning to buy a new one, so they came through for the girl. You can tell I am so excited. But the only thing is that the plug, it's not a South African plug, but I can literally make a plan for that. I can buy a new plug. I got this beautiful bonnet. It is so gorgeous, it's so pretty. They gave me a few makeup brushes. I think these brushes are just they are very portable. Like, you can carry them in your bag, just to touch up your makeup here and there. Also, what comes in the box is 2 wig caps as per usual, and they gave me this amazing silk bag that has all these goodies. It comes with this amazing white tooth comb. I think it's for the curls. And then press-on nails. I'm gonna be rocking these on my bad nail day, okay? bad nail day. And then this amazing rubber band. This is, of course, if you want to lay your wigs, always have this. And then also they gave me lashes, of which these lashes I'm gonna rock like nobody's business, okay? And then there's this adjustable elastic. It's just an extra one just to adjust your lace or your wig. And obviously the construction of the wig, it is a 12-inch wig. It's very nice, it's very cute. I'm not going to be explaining much. I just wanted to just show you and tell you the gifts that I got, of which I am so excited for. Also, this wig, guys, these edges, they're giving natural hair, guys. These edges are the new in thing, okay? This hair, obviously, it is giving natural hair, or it's giving natural edges, so you don't have to worry about curling them because they're already curled for you. I mean, look at that, look at those curls, okay? So this is just the construction of the wig and everything else that you need to know about the wig. I'm not going to explain much. Everything is self-explanatory. This wig, you don't necessarily have to do anything to it. You don't even have to do so much. And I like the fact that you don't necessarily have to do too much to the lace. It's not the usual 13x4. I think this is the 5x5 closure, and I'm so excited because I've had it with 13x4 laces, but this came through for the girl, and I really do hope you enjoy. See you at the end of the video.
my Valentine. Yeah. Can I you the make my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive.
These curls are definitely curling, and once again, don't forget, guys, please do check the description down below. Maybe you could save yourself some coins, okay, and get yourself this unit. But thank you once again to Mslynn here for sponsoring the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and tell your friends to join the family. And see you on my next one. Love you guys. Bye.